One, baby. Woo! Spooning it out, dude. My screwdriver in my bag, so spoon it is. Budget cuts, dude. You know this all-wheel drive's really been eating away at some budgets. We gotta do what we gotta do around here. We dialed. Good day for it. Bagel sandwich, dude? Yeah. There were my sandwiches in there.
Oh, okay. I'm not gonna mess with it right now.
Sorry. Don't touch my sandwich. People these days, dude, piss me off. I'm gonna be in Zen mode in a little.
Okay, we got a lead change. Christopher Polvoorde in the 94 has a flat tire. Herbst is now your new leader, so that's the 19 coming right here. So the 19 has got around Christopher Polvoorde. He's down with a flat tire.
Pit crew getting double thumbs up from Chris Polvoorde right now.
Cut that one a little close, but it was good.
We're going to send you up the stage here like anytime.
Okay, sweet.
Over 1,000. So we have Christopher Polvoorde was in with a 246.51 and Tim Herbst was in with a 247.48.
You're gonna come over here? Yeah.
Okay, right. Who's next?
Christopher Polvoorde, you're up here in this #1 spot unofficially. You were on the pole this morning, and here you are. You've got to be feeling pretty good.
No, yeah, feels good. Had a super fun race, just kind of cruised, and I made a mistake early on, got myself a flat, but after that, kind of just put our head down, and I got to give a huge shout out to the pit guys, and they're really the ones who got this win. They got us in and out faster than Tim Herbst, so really those dudes are the ones that should be up here celebrating a lot more than me. They pulled me out of a bad situation, so super happy, and yeah, tonight we celebrate #1, first debut in my own trophy truck, so I'm happy about that. Sorry, almost threw that one away.
Back to you with Thorpe.
Get in there.
Oh, look at this. Dustin Grabowski coming in to cross the line. And then Kyle Jurgensen.
We were due. 1, baby. What we came to do, so pumped. Optima Batteries Ford Raptor was super fun to drive today. Scared me for a little. I let the lead get away from me, but then we kind of roped it back in, put our head down, and just kind of maintained. So yeah, that's what we came to do, and now we celebrate, and now we got a week more of chaos at King of Hammers, so yeah, it's gonna be wild.
And in that #1 spot, Christopher Polvoorde.
Hold it up. Alright, I'm tired, my arms. Yeah. 1, baby. Now you go take a shower.